Right now I'm currently located in the beautiful community here in Community Alana, and right now we're going to be checking out this model home unit. Why? Is because a lot of people still don't know what a flex home configuration really is, and to me it's perfect for individuals looking to do a multi-generational style living on a townhome, not on a single family home. And yes, they have currently sold out, so they do have more being built across the street. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my camera around and kind of show you exactly what this configuration looks like. Come join me. All right, so this is your Alana configuration. You own the ground floor, second floor, and third floor. And when you enter in, it does include a front lawn or front yard. And mind you that these types of configuration, this premium townhomes, are also commercial zoning, which means right across there they also have what we call a world massage place. So if you're aiming to run any type of business, this is one that you definitely might want to consider and check out. So that's the front area. As I mentioned, they're building more across the street because right now it is currently sold out. And when you enter onto this side as well, you do have two entrances. You got the right side, which shows you directly upstairs, and the left side here, which is your commercial space configuration. I've also heard that CPAs love this type of configuration because having an office space for the ground floor area is really, really key. And so again, you don't have to run a business. If you wanted to just have a ground floor configuration, maybe for in-laws, parents that would like to live with you and have some type of separation, it does include a ground floor full bathroom. And just to mention again, these homes do come with 3 master bedroom, including this one that you're looking at right now on the ground floor. So elderly people who want to live with you and don't ever want to deal with the stairs, this is that configuration. And then over onto this side, they do have a large walk-in closet. And this is key right here, which is exactly what I was mentioning. This door right here is that separation. Once you close that door, you would have kind of like a 1-bedroom area sectioned off here. And this was the door that I was pointing at earlier. I'm going to straighten this out. So again, 2 separate doors. Go ahead and fix the lighting here. Let it off. So yes, that's how that front area looks. And then let's start off with the ground floor first. So this is the upstairs unit, and if you close this door, you would have that nice separation. But down here, you have your ground floor with a storage, kind of like under the stairs storage area. And then here is your washer and dryer. Beautiful. You close this. And they do lock this door, but this is the car garage, which I'm going to show you right now on the outer area. I'm going to fix the lighting on this thing. There you go. So this is a little bit more nicer there. Let me walk out to the back side here. So on the left hand side here is the car garage. And then this unit comes with 3 total parking stalls. So you got this car garage right here. You got your stall right here, your second stall on the right hand side. So again, no backyard neighbor. You do have an enclosed car garage right there. So if you do have pets, this configuration might also work because you do have this space right on the ground floor. Let's enter back into the home. Let's check out the upstairs area. All right. So upstairs does include 2 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms, alongside with a half bathroom, which is the first thing that you see. I love the drop zone right here. And then from here, you have the half bathroom, perfect for entertaining guests so they don't have to necessarily go upstairs and use your bathroom. And this is that balcony space, a little tiny balcony. So again, right now they're offering 5.25% interest rate on this $820,000 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with a half bathroom configuration, roughly $820,000. And again, this is about 1,500 square feet of interior space. And the reason why I'm noting that is because maintenance fees roughly about $750 because of that large interior square footage. Let's go ahead and check out upstairs. And this is your backyard view. I'm going to remove the exposure there. Nice. And let's go with the first primary bathroom here. So they do have a closet on my left hand side. And then you got your bathroom. It's a tub style bathroom. And then this is your first bedroom, first primary bedroom upstairs. And let's go check out the primary bedroom on the right hand side here. So when you enter in, you do have the walk-in closet space here. So this one definitely comes with a bigger walk-in closet. And this is your primary bedroom. And the bathroom is on this side. So this one definitely has a bigger bathroom configuration. Wow, that's pretty cool. There's a sink right there. And then there's another sink down there. So 2 sinks. I've never seen sink like this before. It's like just kind of next to each other like that. And then this one is a step-in shower. Cool, beautiful unit. All right, so that's a little bit about this configuration. As I mentioned, it is a commercially zoned type of property, and you don't have to use it as a commercial. You can just use it as a perfect space for either guest room on the ground floor, or maybe in-laws that wants to live with you and have that nice separation between the 2 bedrooms. This is an excellent configuration for that. And again, as of right now, they're offering 5.25% interest rate on these configuration over at Alana with an average of $10,000 in closing cost credits. Again, these incentives do change on a daily basis, so reach out to us if you have any questions, and refrain from reaching out to the sales center, because if you do, they're going to pair you up with a different realtor. We can no longer help you. This Community Alana is within a 25-year master plan community, which will include parks, businesses, brand new schools, one of the largest high school here in West Oahu, 3 total elementary school and 1 middle school soccer field. They also got rec centers and Olympic-sized swimming pools. So again, get to know a little bit more about this community and watch my other video on Hoopili. Again, thanks for watching. Christopher Tollington, this is your Flex Home Unit.